How to change friend's name on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of a contact on WhatsApp. So first, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you're in WhatsApp, go to your contacts list. Find the contact you want to change the name for. Once you have selected the contact, tap on their name to open the contact details. In the top right corner, you will see three dots. Tap on them, then from the menu, select View Contact. Tap on the three dots again in the top right corner and choose Edit. Now you will be able to edit the contact's name. Change the first name, last name, or both. Once you are done, hit Save. And that's it. You have successfully changed the contact's name on WhatsApp. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.